Let's see, this is my workstation at my company. As you can see, I have 3 monitors. It's cool. And this is my CPU. It's big, it's huge, and I think there's a lot of gamers love this because it has a 32 gigabyte of RAM and a Quadro, NVIDIA GeForce Quadro. Yeah, cool. Unfortunately, I'm not using it to play game. I'm using it for my work. Okay, so one of them, the software I use a lot is it's called ANSYS SAPDET or electronic desktop. So if I click on this, you can see it's loading. This is a 3D 4-way EM software, electromagnetic field 4-way simulation software. It's called SAPDET or high frequency structure simulation. So this is the interface. Let's open one of my projects I worked before. This is the transition from the waveguide